So I was like sifting through the footage that I've taken over the past like 3 or 4 days, and I realized that none of it makes sense. Like there's no backbone to the story or anything like that. So I want to take a second to explain. First we went on the plane.
On the last flight with me and my plane riding bro, my plane riding buddy, really. On the last flight, you got any last words? We're going to Detroit.
Then we got home.
Now it's recording.
James just got here from his flight. It's just waiting. And
James just got here from Alaska.
Yeah.
there's Jeremy. Yeah. Nice. Apparently his butt.
Then we went looking for some Otter Pops.
Gum, gum, gum. Otter Pops! I found them! Oh my gosh.
No, just kidding, we didn't do that. The race car thing.
Okay. It's almost time to rock and roll. He's getting in the truck now to move the boat. And then we're gonna yeah, that.
And today, there's a lot going on today. We're gonna go on a boat, and then we're gonna pull people behind the boat, which is gonna be a lot of fun. Not much is better than having cookies at 5:24 in the morning. Oh, baby. Jeremy, you're a diphthong. He said he was gonna eat cookies with me, but you know what? He left me here. You know what, Jeremy? I had a lot of fun eating those cookies by myself. Woo! Baby. We're almost to the boat doing stuff, and I don't know. Hello. What are you watching, Jeremy? Jeremy? Wormy? No, don't hurt me. Don't hurt me. No, no. Ow! So, me and Jamie are listening to some music.
I need you to stay out.
I'm not wearing the brace right now.
Some bottling makers.
And now the journey begins.
Believe me, the lake's big enough as to where you got plenty room.
Okay, we are in the boat now.
Oh.
So we're slowly sinking right now.
We're going really fast.
Turtle. So we're in, going under this bridge, and we're going kind of slow right now because this is a zone where you're supposed to go slow, but we'll be going fast later on. So we're all done with boating around and stuff, and I've got some pretty decent sunburn on me right now, and it's 6:31 right now. So,
and you might be wondering, so what? So what, James? So what? So stay tuned, guys. Stay tuned.